Benks has released its ArmorGrid Armored Air case combo for the iPhone 17 Pro. This grand combo, as they call it, includes an ultra slim case, a matching braided lanyard, and a pop phone grip stand, all in one package. In this guide, I will unbox and review this set to determine whether it's worth the price. The Benks ArmorGrid ArmorAir case combo comes in a premium cardboard box. There's a simple pull tab that you can tear to get access to the box's contents. The box contains two cardboard boxes. The first one contains the case and the braided lanyard cable, and the second one packs the ArmorPop phone grip stand. Let's start by unboxing the case and exploring its features. The Benks ArmorAir case is impressively slim, measuring just 1.15mm thick and weighing only 20.7 grams, ensuring it won't add noticeable bulk to your iPhone. Despite its ultra-slim design, the case is MagSafe compatible, allowing you to use any MagSafe accessories with your iPhone. You get precise cutouts, giving you access to the iPhone's buttons, the charging port, and speaker grills. The case is made from woven DuPont Kevlar fiber, which is both durable and lightweight. I must say that the case feels premium in hand. The woven texture improves the grip without feeling rough. There's a big pump around the cameras, providing ample protection to the camera lenses. Although the same cannot be said about the front of the device, you will definitely need a screen protector to protect the display of your iPhone 17 Pro. Here's a quick look at the case from all sides. Notice the cutouts for buttons and the charging port. The area around the buttons is exposed, so your iPhone may acquire minor scratches over time, especially since the new iPhone 17 Pro is made from softer aluminum material instead of the outgoing titanium. Next up is the ArmorPop phone grip stand. I appreciate how slim and lightweight it is. Measuring 3.9mm thick and weighing only 22 grams, it avoids the bulk which is typical of many grip accessories. As the name suggests, it combines two functions. The first is the pop socket part, which adds extra grip for secure, comfortable one-handed use. The collapsible finger ring is 360-degree rotatable, so you don't feel any constraints while using it. The second is the built-in ring stand that lets you prop your iPhone vertically or horizontally, ideal for watching videos hands-free, whether at the dinner table or on a plane. The magnet strength is exceptional, so you don't have to worry about your phone falling from the grip stand. I also like that the phone grip matches the case color and doesn't look out of the place. The final item is a braided wrist lanyard. I'm not usually a fan of lanyards, but if I had to use one, this would be it. The lanyard attachment has two parts. There's an anchor point that you insert into the case before fitting it on your iPhone, and then there's the lanyard, which features a metal ring that connects securely to the anchor point. There's also a metal clip at the end of the lanyard that you can use to adjust its size. It's thicker and more comfortable than the typical slim variants that can dig into your skin. It is one of the best lanyard cables for your iPhone. My overall opinion of the Benks iPhone 17 Pro Grand Combo is positive. All three accessories, including the case, the pop grip stand, and the lanyard cable, are made of high quality materials. The only two complaints I have about this combo are that the lanyard cable feels slightly short and the case is difficult to remove once installed on your iPhone. And that about does it for this video. Before you go, click this video to watch our review of the iPhone 17 Pro Tech Woven case. It might just surprise you. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.